feet and come on the tiptoes, coming off the feet. And then when I come down the foot, try and push the four corners of the foot down. So at the ball of the big toe and then the outside of the heel, lifting up the inner arch of the foot, so you feel a hollow down the inside of the thighs. You could feel that the skin of the inside is lengthening, the skin of the outside is shortening. Now trying to drag myself back with my feet, I try and take the shoulder back and down away from the ears, so I've got more space here, and reach forward into my hands, trying to keep them flat. You can't turn the shoulders out, you might turn first of all the hands out. And then as you exhale, pulling yourself back at the tailbone, so you've got this tuck of the tailbone, a posterior tilt at the tailbone, and forward into the hands. So you really feel that you're reaching through the whole of the spine and using the breath, because as you exhale, the stomach pulls in, it pulls on the diaphragm in such a way you can get this curl of the chest as you exhale. Inhale, you come to straight slightly. Exhale, you kind of curl it. What you don't want is to just feel the stretch there in the hamstrings. The knees can even be a tiny bit bent all the time because it's not about the legs. Neither do you want, another classic mistake, to push down the shoulders. Rather, keep the shoulder in line with the back, so you envisage a plank of wood, straight and wide, and just keep it up and turn the shoulder outwards, so rotating it anti-clockwise.